Welcome to my fish room. See, this piece we can use again. And it's long enough, you know? If they're not long enough, they're not worth the effort. Mind you, I might use mine just because your bottom's already... Because mine are thicker.
Yeah, yours is thicker. I would like it because this is something I'm going to keep. I'm not going to sell it in a couple of years. I'm always going to have a tank until I die.
You're not expecting to die in a couple of years, are you?
No, no.
Okay. That would be pretty...
If anything, I would probably like get like one built in the wall, like a wall tank or something, like something different, like bigger.
Yeah.
I'll always have a tank. No, not this tank, but I'll always have one.
See, once again, on this end, there's no silicone.
Yep.
It's like getting dressed up for your date, but then not putting any deodorant on.
Yeah.
You're going to spend all the same amount of money, but she ain't going to like
look,
you.
They did all the work. They did the class clean. They did everything, and they just didn't put silicone. And like, it's a waste. It's all a waste.
Yeah, but a crappy job's a lot easier for me to take apart.
Yeah.
Like when Nathan builds a tank, I don't like to take his apart because he's good at it.
Oh.
That's 2 blades. I got about 30, so no worries on running out of blades. Let's put this one in.
So do I have to worry about you cutting the seal to the outer layer?
Live in fear! I've never did it yet, but yeah, of course you have to worry about it. But that's why I get the big bucks. Hey, that's 3. That's 3.
Isn't it, I think, maybe too long? Or?
You gotta have it that long because otherwise it can't flex to get into there.
Oh, okay.
I flake a lot of blades, as you can tell. How many packs?
Yeah.
There's a reason for that.
Yeah. No, and that's how it's made, right? So you can break it, and use it like each.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
We used to use these for castrating pigs.
Oh.
Because then you can cut it off and get a new sharp edge. Because what you do is you just slice through and then you pull the oysters out.
You pull it, yeah.
Should hear them squeal.
I don't want to.
They do. Looks like this is the one they put on the best.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's no silicone in here either.
Yeah, not in the middle. Just around it. You're cutting butter, right?
A little tougher because the pieces are kind of close, but a lot easier than it should be. Did you know you're the first time I've ever told a person you should buy a new tank?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Does that give you confidence? See, when Don told me that, I said, no, I've never told a person they have to buy a new tank yet. Now I can see why he told you that. thought he was being pessimistic.
And still, your record continues without buying a new tank. You know, I'm like, no, I can't go to turn back on Carl's record now.
Yeah, but what if you have a tank that leaks? I've never had one that I fixed that leaked.
Because that's because you're gonna silicone this up. It's not gonna leak.
You have an inordinate amount of confidence in me.
Because if it was like cracked everywhere and we got like, you know, like we're taking the glass apart and putting new glass, I don't know, that's like a lot of work. That's like a big operation. This is just doing the frame part, so there's still glass intact. You know, we're just putting up all the backup and everything, so that's fine. So before you put the brace, would you be putting like a whole line of silicone?
It'll be a bead of silicone thick enough to choke a monkey. Not that I ever try to choke monkeys with silicone. My uncle used to have a monkey.
Oh yeah?
I only heard about it though. They didn't keep it long enough because it started biting everybody and throwing poo. They're a filthy little beast.
Oh man.
And apparently once they get out of their childhood, they become aggressive. Yeah, the lady with the IKEA monkey, she lost her monkey.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was on the news like last week, right?
Yeah. If you're gonna have a monkey running around in an IKEA parking lot, you're obviously not a good monkey parent. You're not supposed to leave your kid in the car in the winter anyhow. I miss mommy. No, you're not. You're not hairy enough.
Be careful when you're touching your face, the glass.
Okay, let's put the glass in something. Camera, you can get me a pail or a bucket. We got that off in 18 minutes. I think that's about the fastest I've ever taken the glass out of a tank before. That's what that's for.
What?
I couldn't figure out what that thing was for.
Yeah.
It's a coconut grater thingy.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just stick the coconut?
Yeah.
Never even thought of that. That is cool.
How would you take coconut out of a coconut?
You hit it really hard,
Okay.
and then you get a knife underneath and you pry it out.
Oh, right. Okay, by pieces, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you sell the coconut shell to somebody put in their fish tank.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a full coconut.
Yeah, you put it in. Actually, here's something.
How do you cut it in half?
You
just hit it?
Yeah, you hit it right in the middle.
Yeah.
With the edge.
Cool.
Here, Carl. This is the what's it called?
Coconut husk.
Yeah, the outside of it.
Yeah. Egg box.
This is how they.
I take it you made this yourself.
Yeah, this is how they make nest back home, right?
Okay, I'm gonna have to take a phone call. So.